Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Apple Watch. So if you're just like me, that you want to maintain your Apple Watch battery, I do turn off my Apple Watch at night, most especially if you don't want to use it in bed. So if you're longing to know how to turn off or shut down your Apple Watch, but don't know how to go about it, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off your Apple Watch, all you need to do is locate the control center button, the button beneath the electric crown, press and hold it. Then once you feel the haptics, you should see this screen pops. On the screen, you have medical, compass, backtrack, and then emergency SOS. Now, to turn off your Apple Watch, locate and click on the shutdown button at the top right. Then once you click on it once, you'll be prompted to slide to power off. Then to turn off your Apple Watch, you need to slide this to power off, and then once you release it, your Apple Watch will be turned off. Yet, you still be able to have access to the time on your Apple Watch somewhere around here. So that is basically how to turn off Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.